In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix V-experience and error when creating images in ChatGPT. Let's get started. First up, wait a few seconds and click regenerate or send the image request again. Temporary server issues can cause image generation failures. Refresh the browser page. If you're using ChatGPT app, first close it and reopen it. Next, clear cache and cookies. For that, click on three dots, go to the option settings. Now head over to the option privacy and security. Click on the option site settings. Now head over to the option view permissions. Here search for OpenAI or ChatGPT. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it and confirm the deletion. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next up, check for browser or app update. If any updates are available, just update it. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi or cellular data. Next up, log out and log in back to your account. This will refresh your session as well as this might resolve the issue. Next, check the server status of ChatGPT. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in ChatGPT server status, then head over to the official website, status.openai.com. Now, if you found out any outages over here, you'll need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.